everybody ready?
Yes.
Okay. Hello everybody, my name is Jefferson. I like to play soccer games on a rainy day. Because it's fun and I can't play soccer outside because it's raining. The game title is called FC24. Usually I play with my father and my brother. My favorite team to use is Manchester United because someone that's called Rashford is really good to use and easily to score goals. When my father likes to use Real Madrid and my little brother likes to use Liverpool. I always win against them, but when I score a goal, I will celebrate like Cristiano Ronaldo. But if my father and my brother can't play, I will just play against a hard level bot. Okay, so that's my story. But here are my questions. What is the game title called? Okay, you.
FC24.
Okay, who's my favorite team and who do I like to use?
Manchester United.
And which player do I like to use? Is there anyone that can answer? Okay. Or what? No.
Wait.
Claire? What?
Cristiano.
No. You?
Rashford.
Yes. Okay. What do I do when I score a goal?
Celebrate like Cristiano Ronaldo.
Okay. Is there any questions? Okay. What?
Why not pick FC Barcelona?
Because I don't know that too. Okay. No more questions? Okay. Thank you, everybody.